Good morning, good morning, good morning on this lovely, lovely Thursday. Fresh air, fresh air. Sun, got some clouds in the background over there. You can see, kind of see that, but I don't know. For those of you who aren't familiar with me, welcome to Emoneyshoes channel. Now, I may gonna have a little announcements here, so if you don't want to listen to all this gibberish, please don't hesitate to use the fast forward button. Now let's get down to some business. Thanks for everybody for stopping through real quick with that little quick chop 'em up with 313 Retro Queen and PM Kicks, who's gonna be on the show with me for us who has the heat sneaker battles. Congratulations to the first two people in the hot seat, Ghost One's Power and Breezy _Kicks 23. If you're not familiar with them, they're on. I put them in the description below. They're also on IG and they're on YouTube as well. So go get familiar with them, because the people in the chat is all about you. You will decide. Now, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment suggestion below. I go through all of my comments and answer each and every one of them. I try to do it within 48 hours, but if I miss it, please forgive me. I will get back to you. Now, a little bit of information about the drop this week. The Jordan 9 UNC Blues. If you want these shoes, please do not sleep. I repeat, please do not sleep, or do not sleep. So what I'm hearing, I don't normally go around telling people how to do stuff. You can cop these shoes, and like they say, you can always return them. But I've been pounding the pavement, checking around, reading the tea leaves. This initial drop will be pretty limited. It's going to be a GR, but it's going to be similar to that Bread Toe 1 and some other shoes that came in. They're GR, but a limited GR. Maybe they might restock and do some other stuff later, but the initial drop will be limited. I'm not sure when people start probably going to get their taxes in, but it should be pretty soon for the ones that initial did. So people going to be out ready to spend that money on those shoes. I mean, they are all right. Nines all right. They're not my favorite silhouette. Everyone know the nines are based off of baseball shoes, so that toe box gets real narrow, and if you get the wrong one, it can be very uncomfortable. So enough of that, and let's jump right into this review. I have to apologize to people. I went on several people different pages. I was on the fence. Some people are like, nah, they trash, but I would have to say this shoe is pretty dope in person. I'm not the biggest Jordan 1 fan, so I don't know, still don't know if I might keep this or not, but this is a personal pair. As you can see, the Nike box with that trademark R. Grabbed it from my peeps at Foot Action in Waikiki. Size 10.5, official colorway, neutral gray black. Yes, team late over here. We get stuff late. 160 of them things. So you already know. If I can get it for the low, it's gonna be for the low. You got your stamper ramp, the check, and you know me, gotta do what you gotta do. So with that being said, I got them for, see that, 160, got it for 112. All right, 112. Shout out to my daughter for hooking our dad up. Plain paper rape bar. You got your other little greenery QC stamp there. And always like to do the left shoe. So we're gonna put the lid on. We're gonna take a look at this like so. So we do that. Probably be thumbnail action. Let the sun hit it. Now, like I said, this shoe is I was surprised at this shoe. I don't know if I think I actually like the Volt one better if I had to choose between the two that's coming out. I don't know about the turbo green, so we'll see. But underneath here, you see you got all your gray, your Nike with the check, your trademark R. Coming up here on the toe box, nice Not bad on the suede here. Nice, not bad. Now the leather is what's the dopest part, right? Look at that. Push a whoosh. All mushy on me. That's dope. Black laces. If I had to rock it, I probably would go with these laces here. That's all rolled up to break up some of this gray on the shoe. You got the black tongue. Nice hits here on the tongue. You got Nike kind of like a little, like a yellowish green color. You got your trademark R's. You also have your crimson orange, or whatever it is, check here, or swoosh, you like to say. Coming around on the side, SP19, Spring 19, Air Jordan 1 OG, High OG. I guess they're doing this a lot. A lot of people saying this is a knockoff of the Off-White. I don't know if this is going to be continued. I guess for 160, as long as it don't make the price up, people don't really give a rip. Okay, you got the check there. See the stitching is on point here. A lot of people have been worried about the stitching. You got your pretty much embossed Air Jordan here. Coming around on the back, nothing really to see. Stitching pretty good. You got your bright crimson here, or whatever that will look more like fuchsia to me if you ask me. But who am I? Coming around on the medial side, you got that pretty good leather. I like it. It kind of got that. It's a different look to the leather. That's what actually makes the shoe look pretty good. Gray here, gray hits here as well. And then inside the shoe, take out the shoe tree. As you can see, Nike Air in there as well. Size 10.5. Production date on these bad boys: 9/9/18, 11/16/18. So you can kind of get a feel for how long it actually take them to produce the shoes and get them out. Some they do faster, some they take a little bit longer. And then on the back of here, you got all your China stuff and all your information, your yada yada yada. So when we come to this part on the lit meter, I give it about a 4.3 out of 5. 4.3 out of 5. Pretty nice shoe. Like I said, I had to eat my words on a very, very dope shoe in my opinion. Now with that being said, like I said, this week, the first battle coming to you at 9 p.m. Eastern time on Saturday. Who has the heat? Battlers are Breezy_Kicks23 and Ghost Ones Powered, sponsored by Money Run Clothing. All right, go check him out, Money Run Clothing _ on IG at moneyrunclothing.com. I'll put my code in the bottom. Do what you like, DWYL, get you 20% off on your online offer. With that being said, it's Emoneyshoes. Have a great day, and I'm out. Peace.